Once upon a time, a little bear named Bruno was very excited because it was his birthday. He wanted a big cake and many gifts. He invited all his forest friends to his party. On the morning of his birthday, Bruno saw his friends bringing small gifts. Some brought berries, some brought flowers, and some brought warm hugs. Bruno felt a little disappointed because the gifts were simple. During the party, everyone played, laughed, and shared stories. Bruno realized he was very happy with his friends around him. He thanked them with a big smile. That night, Bruno felt proud and joyful. Moral: true happiness comes from love and friendship, not from big gifts.